To fix an Electrolux front-load washer that's not draining, several common issues should be investigated. Poor connection of the drain hose to the standpipe, a clogged pump and filter, or a blocked drain hose are all potential causes of the problem. To resolve the issue, ensure the drain hose is installed correctly, making sure it doesn't extend more than 10 centimeters into the drain and its height is between 60 and 100 centimeters from the washer's base. The pump and filter should also be cleaned. Access the filter cap, unscrew it, and prepare for potential spillage. Clean and rinse the filter with running water. Then rotate the pump rotor to ensure it spins freely, dislodging any residue that may be preventing it from spinning, and remount the filter securely. Additionally, check that the drain isn't blocked by running a wash cycle with the drain hose in an open container. To rule out clogging, and unclog it if necessary. It's also important to check for kinks in the hose and undo them if any are found. By following these steps, you should be able to fix an Electrolux front-load washer that's not draining.